Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. We're in the shop today. We've got our professional install tech. His name's Mikey. He's gonna show you how to install a ranch hand grill guard on this 2022 Chevy Silverado.
First thing you're gonna do is locate the toe hook area and get ready to cut. They're 3 inches by 3 1/4. I just cut out that whole square. You do it on both sides. After you're done cutting your hole, it should look somewhat like this. Once both sides are completed, they should look like this. So what we like to do is separate all the hardware, double check, make sure everything's there, make sure the brackets are correct. So now you want to install the studs that will hold your brackets. You will look inside, they will go between the frame. Without the toe hook models, you have to put the third bolt also in between the frame, and it's gonna be 3 bolts holding the bracket. After you have the lower brackets installed, it's time to do the upper brackets. For that, you need to open your hood. Once you open the hood, locate your hood latch, remove the 10-15 Torx, and then the air dust shield. Remove all the clips. Now pop up the dust shield. Once you remove the dust shield, you have 4 10mm bolts to remove. Once you remove the 10mm bolts, you slowly pry up on the grill. Once you remove the grill, there's 2 13mm bolts to be the farthest on your right. Now remove the 13mm bolt. Once you remove the bolt, you reinstall it with the bracket. Once the upper brackets are installed, it should look like this. Once the upper brackets are installed, you reinstall your grill. And now we're going to reinstall everything we took off. Next step will be to grab a friend to help you position the grill guard in place and bolt it in. And then you close the hood so you can line up the grill guard. Once you have placed your grill guard on, make sure you tighten up your bolts. You have mounted and officially tightened all your bolts. Your grill guard should line up around the hood area and look straight right in the middle where your logo's at. And that's how you install a ranch hand grill guard.